Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you the easiest way to parallel park a car. I have gone over many different ways of parallel parking, many different methods, and some of them are great, some of them are not the greatest, but this is by far the easiest way that I have found to learn to parallel park. Now let's get right into it. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to be parking behind that vehicle. Ironically enough, it is actually the same vehicle as mine and the same color, so just a random fact. I'm literally driving a 2017 CRV that is the exact same color. Anyways, basically I'm going to go over the maneuvering of the parallel parking. But one thing that you have to know is that safety comes first. So you always have to put your signal on. You always have to check your mirrors, check your blind spots, look all around the car, in front of the car, and so forth. I'm not going to go over those things because this is basically going to be about maneuvering, especially because this is somewhat of a busy street. So I want to parallel park it quickly when I get there. But this will be an easy method. So I'm going to explain it first, then I'll demonstrate it. What you want to do is pull up beside the car that you want to parallel park behind. So pull up beside the front car, which I'm going to parallel park behind that car right over there. And you want to align the center of your rear tire with the edge of their rear bumper. So the center of my rear tire is going to align with the edge of their rear bumper. Basically, what you're going to do at that point is steer all the way right, okay? Reverse and hold the wheel all the way right. Reverse until you're at a 45-degree angle. Stop and straighten the wheel. Continue reversing with the straight steering wheel. And then once your front bumper clears their car, steer all the way to the left and continue reversing. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Let's get right to it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to parallel park behind that car right over there. We're going to try and do this without obstructing traffic, so I'm going to do it rather quickly, but I'll probably do it more than once. Is this person going to move that car? No. Okay, good. I was thinking that this person over here was actually going to get in that car and move it, which would spoil the video, but let's get into it. Signal. We're going to pull up beside that car. I'm signaling over here. And then we'll parallel park in front of that, behind that car over there. I'm lining up my center of my rear tire with that rear bumper. Put the car in reverse. Steer all the way right. Reverse. My car is now at a 45-degree angle. Stop and straighten the wheel. Reverse back. And then once my bumper clears that bumper. So right now my bumper has just cleared that bumper. Steer all the way to the left. Continue reversing. Just like that. And as you can see, I just squeezed behind there perfectly. Look at this. So I'm parallel. As you can see in this mirror, I'm just nice and right parallel with the curb. I have just enough room at the front there. If there was a car behind me, I would have more than enough space because as you can see, it's pretty tight right over there. And I even reversed back a little more than I had planned. So it's very simple. Now what I'm going to do is, let's actually reverse all the way back to where we were originally, give or take. And I'm going to do it again one more time. Okay, now let's just do this smoothly. I don't want to cause any traffic over here. Let's just make sure we're just reversing. I'm really close to the curb. I also don't want to scratch my rim, so I'm really hoping that we can just do this smoothly. So, okay, we're basically where we started, a little bit closer than where we started, but we're going to do this again, especially now that there's not as much traffic. The car's in drive, so I'm just going to wait. There's a car right here coming down the street. Just going to give it a quick moment. So once again, align the rear tire with their rear bumper. Align your rear tire, the center of your rear tire, with their rear bumper. Steer all the way right. Reverse until you're at a 45-degree angle. Straighten the wheel. Reverse until your front bumper has cleared their rear bumper. Steer all the way left, and you're good to go. We keep on reversing. So let's go ahead. We're going to move it. Let's pull up beside the car, signaling right. Okay, pull up beside the car right over here. I'm stopping as my rear tire is aligned with their rear bumper right over there. Okay, very simple. Put the car in reverse, steer all the way right, reverse, till my car is at roughly a 45-degree angle. As you can see, it's at a 45-degree angle. Straighten the wheel, continue reversing back, and look at my front bumper. We're waiting for it to clear. So right about now, my front bumper has cleared their rear bumper. So I know that I can safely, let's even go just a touch further back to be safe. I know that I can safely steer all the way left and I'm not going to clip their car. That's the main factor. You don't want to clip anybody's car or your own. So I've steered all the way left, just smoothly going into this parking spot. And as you can see right here, straighten out your wheel. As you can see, once again, I am nice and tight to the curb. I've parallel parked behind this car easily, which ironically would look really cool from outside of the car because we're both we're like the Honda CRV club over here. Anyways, that is by far, in my opinion, the easiest way to parallel park. Like I said, I know probably about 10 different methods for parallel parking, and they're all pretty good, but this is the easiest one to remember. Like, there are so many other ones that involve looking at the mirror, aligning your mirror with the center of this and that. This is like so simple. You know, you're literally aligning the center of your rear tire with their rear bumper, then you're steering all the way right and reversing. When your car is at roughly a 45-degree angle, you stop, straighten your wheel, continue reversing. When your front bumper has cleared their front bumper, so you know you can turn the wheel safely, stop, steer all the way to the left, and just hook your car in, and that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.